Welcome back to our Logistifie tutorial series. Today, we're diving into the summary page and showing you how to make the most of its features. Let's get started. First, on your main dashboard, head over to the Search by Job option. Here, you can enter a specific amount for a trip, and it will pull up that particular trip with all its details. You'll see options to edit, cancel, delete, email, or namecard the trip. Select any option you need, or click Go Back if you don't wish to choose any of these options. Back on the main dashboard, there's also the Search by Driver option. You can change this to search by owner, fleet, or subcontractor. You can further refine your search with the Filter by Driver and Filter by Vehicle options. Select the type of driver or vehicle you're looking for from the drop-down menus. Next up, we have the Filter by Status option. This includes statuses like unallocated, allocated, on the way, POB, passenger on board, and clear. Use this filter to check the status of drivers and trips. Another handy filter is the Filter by Client option, showing the clients using the software. To narrow down your search by date, use the Choose From and Choose To options to select a specific date and time range. This will show you all the trips available on those dates. Check the details of each trip, including the company name card, type of vehicle, passenger and driver names, price, and more to ensure everything is correct. Click the edit icon in the first column under the word Confirmed in green. This edit icon will display the full trip details where you can check if anything needs modification before you can check everything else. And that's it. You've now mastered the summary page on Logistifie. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tutorials. See you in the next video.